Alright, this is your video on how to use Flipgrid. So here I am in the presentation that you are currently looking at. If you put your cursor over the Flipgrid sign and click it, it will take you to our grid. When you get here, you're going to log in with Google. It will only let you log in if you're logged into your Google account for school because it is attached to your email. So you have to make sure that you are in your school settings. So here we are. It says Mrs. Wallace's class 2021. You notice here I'm asking you to look at 2 truths and 1 lie. But if you see this blue thing over here, there are 2 topics in our classroom. Your favorite dessert. We don't want that one yet. But if you don't see the one you're looking for, when you first log on, you may have to click this blue arrow to see what other topics are available. So I am looking at 2 truths and 1 lie. Here are your directions. It says before you record your video, write 2 things that are true about you and 1 thing that is a lie. Don't tell us which things are the truth and which is the lie. We will share these and guess as a class. So number 1, you're going to tell us your name. And number 2, you're going to say your 3 sentences, and remember, don't tell us which one is the lie. This video here, you can push this button and play it, and it is my two truths and a lie, so that you have an example of how to do it. To film your video, you scroll down, you click this big plus. You want to allow it to use your camera on your Chromebook or your device because then it'll let you see yourself right there. And you would click record and you will record your video. For this video, please do not use any of these tools here. We'll get into those later when we get into more activities with Flipgrid. But you would press record your video, and follow the directions that it gives you as you finish. Okay?